Welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner and this video on making a Harry Potter themed tree. This is all budget friendly. This is all handmade. Obviously you can do expensive store-bought stuff, but this is just fun, simple, easy DIY. First of all, I decided to start off with just some simple crepe paper or streamers for the garland. I did not actually end up using the black on this. So I made these cute little house banners for each of the houses. I used a little bit of puffy paint, and then I ended up also just using a paintbrush with regular acrylic paint to freehand that, and then used hot glue with a little bit of twine to attach to the back. Next up, I used some of these sparkly silver pipe cleaners and used them on a variety of items. So here we have the Deathly Hallows symbol, and then I have these cute little key charms, which I know I got on Amazon. I'll see if I can link down to that below. And then I made my own snitches. I had thought about doing, I had seen, there's the candy, like Ferrero Rocher or something, but they weren't at the store that I went to, and I realized that I had these little wooden beads, so I spray painted them gold and then use the pipe cleaners with them. So there's a variety of ways. You can just do a ball and use the pipe cleaners to make wings. And then a couple of things that weren't necessarily included in this video of the tree, but were part of a larger party. Again, that's going to be a separate video, but you could do like wands. You can do that pretty easily with hot glue and a whole bunch of different techniques and just put them on the tree. We also did some house ties. And then I tried a couple of different techniques for the sorting hat, which decided to be the topper. I'm not sure which one I liked more. They're both a little funky, but I mean, it is kind of a funky thing. So let me know in the comments which you prefer. I don't know. Anyway, here are some closer up shots. And I'd love to know if you were to DIY something, simple, not some crazy printable or something like that. What would you have added to this? What would you have done to get away from just the 4 primary colors and like the silver and gold? Also in here you will see a picture of just little mini cauldrons that I had. Use those for the St. Patrick's Day tree. So this is not actually technically my Halloween tree this year. I still need to film that. And we're pretty close to Halloween, so that might come out late, but I'll still do it. This was just kind of a random thing. It was done for a friend's kid's party, and we were hosting at my house. It can be done also for Christmas. I mean, Harry Potter is pretty year-round fun. So let me know what you think. I know that it could have been better. I definitely think I would do away with the streamers just because there's already the pop of other colors. What do you think you would have done instead of those streamers? I'm gonna go, if you can't hear my roommate's cat annoyingly begging to get out of the house. You'll see in this last little clip we have a bunch of letters coming out of the fireplace because that was part of that. So subscribe, listen to the cat being annoying. And join me for more fun Harry Potter and other DIY and other random year-round Christmas or holiday tree ideas. Thank you for joining. Have a wonderful day. Meow if you think that they should subscribe. You think so? You really think so? Bye, guys.